Hello guys, Judy Ann here from just88.com. Today we're gonna make a buffalo chicken drumsticks. It's gonna be buffalo drumsticks, y'all. So anyway, for those that like barbecue sauce and or even just buffalo wings, we're going to be making drumsticks instead. So that's the little switch that we're going to be doing today. And so let's get to the kitchen and try it out. So I actually got a question the other day from a friend who's like adulting, and she was like, how do you know when chicken's done? Because you don't want to eat uncooked chicken. And so my trick is my own personal trick. It could be like, it's not like, I don't know, a tip from a chef or anything, but when you're cooking chicken with a bone, man, it's sizzling up in here. I let the chicken cook, and then when you watch the skin turn brown, then that's when you know it's cooking very well. At the same time, like, we're cooking drumsticks right now, right? And so when I see the actual chicken blood like oozing out of the actual meat, and that's when I know that it's thoroughly kind of cooking in the center. But then at the same time, like, I kind of murder my chicken to make sure that it's cooked. So, because I do not want to get salmonella poisoning, you know. So, yeah. So I'm like, oh, that's a good tip on my video. Thanks for the question. I know we added seasoning. Yeah. I'm like, it's on low. I'd say like we've been browning this chicken for like good 20 minutes or so. I say, yeah, 20 minutes, and then I'm flipping it, you know, every now and then. And so yeah, and then I've been watching the chicken while I watch other YouTube videos, and just making sure that the blood is kind of like oozing. It's, you know, the blood is actually oozing out, and yeah, I wish I had that footage for you, but I just got that text message, so I was like, oh my god, that's a great idea. So anyway, just a little tip for you. Okay, so I think my chicken's done, so I'm going to turn off my fire, my heat, and it's kind of like deep, I know like there's, in order for you to have buffalo chicken, you want to like deep fry your food, but I'm not I like deep fried stuff, but I don't like making it at home. I'm thinking like maybe I'll buy an air fryer for that because that's a lot of oil. But anyway, I use like a little bit of oil compared to like deep frying. So that's why I like to pan fry my chicken. I just wanted to clarify. So now I think the chicken's done. So I'm gonna grab. Okay. Woo! It's still sizzling hot, yo. Okay. So, I'm gonna flip my chicken. Woo! And that's, you see, like, can you zoom in here, cameraman? And so you see kind of like it's white in the center. Sometimes I even like take a meat, you know, and just like crack it open and be like, okay, I think it's cooked inside because it's white. It ain't pink, right? Let me sound educated for a second. Okay, so I think chicken is done because it's clearly white in the center. And so, anywho, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab a chicken and then like dunk it in the buffalo sauce. If my tongs would let me, right? Man, I think maybe I need some other tongs. Alright. So I'm just kind of bathing it in here in my buffalo sauce. My own homemade buffalo sauce. And you know what's even awesome is as I'm eating my chicken, I like to dip the sauce or like make sure there's the sauce in the center of the chicken too. Yum. So just FYI, that's how I like to enjoy my chicken. So there's one. Whippy! Ah, cabron. I was gonna lose it. Holy crap, that's a real blooper. Grab another chicken. Put it in here. Coat it away. Coating it away. You know, there's that song back in the days where it was like, I used to watch Will Smith back in the 90s. And there's that song that's stuck in my head right now as I'm doing this. Turn, baby, turn. Turn, baby, turn. Turn, turn, baby, turn. Oh my god, that was a hilarious episode. A flashback for y'all. Anyways, so that's two. Plus, drumsticks were on sale, you know, so you gotta just do what you can. And I think drumsticks has more meat than the actual wings itself. And so that's why I like to do the drumsticks. I mean, I'm trying to save some money, you know, so I just want more meat on my bones. So that's how I said, oh my god, drumsticks, let's just do buffalo style. I wanted wings, but I'm like, I always think wings, when I'm out and about doing like food adventures, I prefer to have buffalo chicken boneless, because then you have more meat, because like half the time I feel like when I get buffalo wings, it's just pure bone and skin, right? So that's why with the drumsticks, I think you get a little more meat.
Well put.
Thank you. I think I'm gonna keep the one without the sauce because we have some people that don't want spicy sauce. I have to put this one on a different plate because they don't like spicy. So anyway, this is how you do drumstick buffalo sauce. That's what I'm gonna call it. Or maybe buffalo drumsticks. That's it. Buffalo drumsticks. Drumstick? Yeah, that's it. Okay, so I like play on words because like words are not my best friend, but my chicken is my best friend. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. And see, look at this. It's like, it's cooked in the center. Hopefully you saw that. I don't know, but it's pretty good, and it's cooked thoroughly, so that's great. So if you guys could give a thumbs up to this video if you liked it, and at the same time, if you could comment down below if you try this recipe. It is really good. And go ahead and hit that bell and subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos. And at the same time, I don't know, watch the next one. All right. Oh, babe, it's good. It's good, Luis. Oh my God, you gotta try this. No, seriously, you gotta like put the camera down and you gotta try this shit. I mean, I'm gonna try this. Are you kidding me right now? Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you watch the next one. Hurry. Click on one of these.